A Tesco Mobile account can lock due to multiple failed login attempts, suspicious activity like SIM swapping, or unpaid bills. This lock prevents access to the My Tesco app or online portal. When locked, you cannot access the My Tesco app or the online portal for services like top-ups or plan changes. To fix it, try self-service options, starting with password reset. Use the Forgot Password link on the login screen. Enter your registered email or phone number to receive a reset link. Then create a new password that must be at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. For identity verification, you may need to provide email or SMS codes, answer security questions, or use biometric data through the Tesco mobile app version 4.5 or later, which includes facial recognition for enhanced security. These self-service steps should resolve most account locks. For more complex issues, contact support. If self-service options don't resolve your locked account, use Tesco Mobile's support channels. Visit the website at tescomobile.com or open the app for instant troubleshooting with their AI-powered chatbot, which quickly resolves many common issues. For complex issues like fraud or disputed charges, contact Tesco Mobile support directly at 0344 324 9222 in the UK, or use the live chat feature on their website or app. In fraud cases, such as SIM swap incidents, Tesco Mobile may implement a 72-hour hold on account changes and require in-person verification at a store to ensure security. If your account is locked due to an app glitch, Tesco Mobile provides an emergency reset portal that you can access to quickly regain control. Tesco Mobile offers free webinars on account security to help users understand and prevent lockouts, providing valuable education for better protection. Through their assisted support program launched in 2024, Tesco Mobile offers phone-guided resets and even home visits in rural areas for elderly users who may need extra help with digital tools.